Hey guys, this is Ben here. On this channel, I'll be answering your tech questions. Now let's jump right on in. Today I'll be talking about how to fix USB cables that may not be working. First, you want to inspect the cable. Make sure there are no sharp bends, knots, or any exposed wires. By the way, never knot your cables. That is bad for them. Make a physical check on the port. Make sure there is nothing blocking the port or the inside of the end of the cable. If that doesn't work, it's time to get a new cable. The packaging should say whether it's just a charging cable or not. Make sure you get the right cable for you. Thanks for watching. Liked today's video? Go ahead and hit that like button and put your questions in the comments below. If you want more videos like this or want to know more about tech and how it all works, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.